You got get a flick. 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 Get a flick.
Stepping in the rain, yeah, they call me the king. Mayweather.
King.
Look, my hands like Mayweather, they faster than the feather. Keep talking, I'ma knock you down like Heather. Ain't even catch it. Niggas walk around and they steady talking reckless. Well, I'm a fucking pit. Y'all female dog, so y'all niggas bitch. Tight pussy, I'm tight knee. Step up on the scene, mop it up like Mr. Clean. Put a B on your head, you rapping bucket boy. Well, why you steady ducking, boy? Calling shots at you, come back at me. I want you to, and I'm an actor. I got a gun, boy, it'll blow your back up. So talk shit, boy, and I will have that ransom. My money tall, I'm short though, but it don't matter cause I fuck your girl though. And I rock the world. I'ma go in and I'ma change the next person. Lucky number one right here, with the socks hat on, covering his hair. Are you scared? I can see it in your eye. Mr. G, little nigga, you a small fry. Pumping all that juice in them steroids. Little dick nigga, get some hair, boy. Kayeka, shut the fuck up, cause I ain't even scared, boy. I'ma spit in Spanish. La amiga, your girlfriend's a hoe, so I call her a cheater. And yeah, I wear Adidas. And I run faster. Girls on her knees, so she call me master. Class is over. No, fuck that shit. Sit your ass back down and get your book out, bitch. And read it. And listen up. Keep battling me? I don't know. But it ain't gonna end nice. Like Brandon's face. Kinda ugly. That's a disgrace. Switch it back to this Spanish nigga. Eat some rice and cut my grass. Big thumb,